welcome to the Nature Zachary Show. I'm Nature Zachary, and today we're fishing for Lake and Dallas, Texas, and it's a huge lake.
That's right. We're back at the fishing barge, and we're gonna try to keep what we catch today. We want to do a catch and cook video for you guys, but not sure if we'll catch anything. So stick around, and we'll find out.
I did one too deep, and I finally was reeling in, and I caught it.
You got it. It's our first fish of the day, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What is it, a bluegill?
No, it's a sunfish, actually.
It's a nice one. We got one.
What are they doing, Daddy?
All right, number two. And he's a nice size one, huh?
Yeah. Do you understand? I'll measure him with my hands.
Okay, go ahead. Hold on, we gotta get him off the hook, honey.
He's a huge guy.
All right, number two. Okay. I think I can unhook him. Okay.
Welcome to the Nature Zachary Show.
All right, so we're back in the kitchen, and we got our fish that we caught today, and now we're gonna clean them and get them ready for cooking, right?
Yeah, we're gonna clean them.
All right, let's get to it. Okay, so there's our fillets. There's not a lot because they were little fish, but we still got enough to eat, so let's fry these up now.
Okay, let's get them.
All right, we got them frying up now.
They smell like eggs. They smell like banana.
It's fish, and you're gonna get to try it real soon.
Yep. All right, so here's our blue.
Zach, why don't you use a fork?
Okay.
All right, so here we are.
All right, so here's our sunfish. You can cut a piece up if you.
Or you can take a bite of one of the small ones.
Take a bite of the small ones. If you like this. I know what it tastes like.
How is it?
I know what it tastes like. It tastes like chicken.
Oh, okay.
I know what it tastes like. It tastes like chicken.
But it is fish, right? It's the fish we caught today. How is it? If you could get it in your mouth.
It's good.
Well, I think this was a nice finale to season 1 of Nature Zachary.
This was a vlog.
It was long, yeah. We've had a long
No, it was
summer.
a vlog.
Oh, a vlog, yeah. Yeah, it's a type of vlog. All right, well, so his fish, I guess,
You gonna try a bite?
Good. Sure, I do. I'm gonna try a bite and see how the bluegill is. Oh, man.
It tastes like chicken, right?
Oh, that's so good.
Tastes like chicken, right?
Oh, that's so, yeah. Well, yeah. It just is so tender. I mean, those were little guys. But that is just so tender. I tell you, panfish has to be some of the best fish in the world.
Yeah, and sunfish.
Yeah. Well, sunfish is a type of panfish, and I love it. I think they're so good. Well, that's tasty.
It tastes like chicken.
Yeah. And so the sun is setting, and it's also coming to an end of summer. This is the season finale of Nature Zachary, This is the last episode for this season. We hope you had a fun time this season. We know we had a lot of fun this summer, and if you didn't see all the videos, you can go back and check them out. And we did a lot of fun things. We did a lot of fishing, just a lot of stuff outside, and we made the most of this summer. So I hope you enjoyed all of our videos, and please tune in for season 2, which is going to be starting pretty soon. So keep an eye out for the second season of Nature Zachary. What do you want to tell the people, Zach?
Thank you for watching my video. If you like that video, the show's not over yet. There's just a couple more steps. Just we have to clean the fish, and then we're gonna cook it, and then we're gonna eat it, and I'm gonna show you which one tastes better.
Okay. And do you want to say goodbye to the summer?
Yeah. Goodbye, summer. Summer's fun.